So the issue with the tablet is once it goes in sleep mode, it doesn't want to wake up. So when I press the button, nothing happens. If I plug it, the tablet is on, but the screen doesn't turn on. So if I plug it, makes sound, and when you plug it, the screen needs to turn on. Makes a sound, but nothing happens. So I need to press the power button and hold it for like 10 seconds to restart the tablet. So now, once restarted, everything is working. But when it goes into sleep mode, usually happens after a long, when it goes to sleep mode for a longer period, then doesn't want to turn on the screen. Oh, there it goes. Doesn't want to turn on the screen. So this happens quite often. So every time I need to restart the tablet. I don't know if you had this problem.